Hi guys! In this video, I'll show you how to put a shortcut to a website on your desktop. So let's begin. First, open the website in Chrome on Windows. This feature is not currently available on Mac computers. Then click the Chrome menu button. You'll find this in the upper right corner of the Chrome window. Then drag the mouse to More Tools and click on it. Then click Create Shortcut. A new window will appear. Now enter a name for the shortcut. By default, the shortcut will have the same name as the site's title. You can change it to whatever you'd like. Then select whether to open in a window or not. Now click Create to add it to your desktop. You'll see a new icon on your desktop, which will be the same icon that the website uses. You can double-click the shortcut to open it. That's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. Don't forget to like this video if you did. Thanks for watching.